Preparing meals can be one of the most time-consuming parts of cooking, especially when you're chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, slicing potatoes, or mixing dough by hand. That's where a good food processor can completely change your kitchen routine. With the right machine, tasks that normally take several minutes can be finished in just seconds. But not every food processor is built the same. Some are perfect for quick everyday meal prep, while others are powerful enough to knead bread dough, puree sauces, make nut butter, or process large batches of ingredients for family meals. Choosing the right one depends on your cooking style, the features you need, and, of course, your budget. For this list, we compared motor performance, versatility, build quality, ease of cleaning, included accessories, customer feedback, and overall value to find 5 food processors that are genuinely worth buying. Whether you're a beginner looking for a simple machine or a passionate home cook wanting professional-level performance, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Starting our list is the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor, an affordable and beginner-friendly machine that's designed to make everyday meal preparation faster and easier. One of its biggest advantages is the Stack and Snap assembly system, which eliminates the frustration of lining up and locking multiple parts before you can start processing. With its generous bowl capacity and stainless steel blades, it handles common kitchen tasks like chopping onions, shredding cheese, slicing vegetables, mixing sauces, and preparing salsa with ease. Buyers frequently praise how simple it is to assemble, and the large feed chute means you can process larger ingredients without spending extra time cutting them into smaller pieces. The biggest drawback is that it isn't as powerful as the premium food processors higher on this list. While it performs very well for everyday kitchen tasks, it can struggle a little when processing very dense doughs or particularly hard ingredients for extended periods. Still, if you're looking for a dependable food processor that's easy to use, reasonably priced, and packed with practical features, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap offers excellent value and is a great choice for most home kitchens. Coming in at number 4 is the Black Plus Decker 8-Cup Food Processor, a compact model that's ideal for smaller kitchens and everyday cooking. It offers enough capacity for most households while taking up less counter space than many larger food processors. Its stainless steel chopping blade and reversible slicing and shredding disc make quick work of vegetables, herbs, cheese, nuts, and homemade sauces. Many buyers appreciate its straightforward controls, lightweight design, and how easy it is to clean after use. It's an excellent option for anyone who wants a reliable food processor without paying for features they may never use. The trade-off is its smaller 8-cup capacity, which may not be ideal if you regularly prepare meals for large families or like to batch cook. It also isn't designed for heavy-duty food processing on the same level as premium models. For everyday chopping, slicing, shredding, and mixing, however, the Black Plus Decker delivers dependable performance at a budget-friendly price, making it a smart buy for most home cooks. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor, a powerful and versatile machine that's designed to handle a wide variety of kitchen tasks with minimal effort. It combines a strong motor with user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for busy home cooks who want speed and consistent results. Its large-capacity work bowl and stainless steel precision blades make quick work of chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, slicing potatoes, pureeing sauces, and mixing dough. Buyers frequently praise how efficiently it processes ingredients while maintaining consistent textures. It also features convenient preset programs that take the guesswork out of common tasks, making it easy to achieve great results with the touch of a button. The biggest drawback is that it can be a little louder than some competing models, especially when processing harder ingredients. It also takes up a fair amount of counter or storage space, so it may not be the best choice for very small kitchens. Even so, if you're looking for a food processor that delivers plenty of power, excellent versatility, and outstanding value, the Ninja Professional Plus is an easy recommendation and one of the best all-around options available. Coming in at number 2 is the Breville Sous Chef 12, a premium food processor built for serious home cooks who want professional-level performance. From its solid construction to its thoughtfully designed accessories, nearly every part of this machine is built with precision and durability in mind. Its powerful motor handles everything from finely chopping herbs and vegetables to kneading dough and slicing tougher ingredients with ease. The wide feed chute helps reduce prep time by accommodating larger fruits and vegetables, while the adjustable slicing disc gives you more control over the thickness of your cuts. Buyers also appreciate the high-quality construction, smooth operation, and the wide range of included accessories that make it incredibly versatile. The biggest downside is its premium price. It's one of the most expensive food processors on this list, and many casual users may not need all of its advanced features. It's also a fairly large appliance, so you'll want to make sure you have enough counter or storage space. However, if you cook frequently and want a food processor that's built to last while delivering exceptional performance, the Breville Sous Chef 12 is well worth the investment. Taking our top spot is the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor, a machine that has earned an outstanding reputation among both home cooks and professional chefs. Year after year, it continues to be one of the most recommended food processors because of its powerful performance, dependable reliability, and straightforward design. Its large 14-cup work bowl makes it easy to prepare meals for families or batch cook for the week ahead. The powerful motor effortlessly chops vegetables, shreds cheese, slices fruits, kneads dough, and purees everything from hummus to soups with impressive consistency. Buyers consistently praise how durable it feels, how simple it is to operate, and how well it performs even after years of regular use. There are a couple of trade-offs. Unlike some newer competitors, it doesn't include preset programs or touch controls, relying instead on simple on and pulse buttons. While that may seem basic, many users actually appreciate its uncomplicated operation and dependable performance. It's also a fairly large appliance, so it requires a decent amount of storage space. Even with those minor drawbacks, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor remains our top overall pick. It delivers exceptional power, outstanding reliability, and consistently excellent results, making it one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen. The best food processor ultimately depends on how you cook and what features matter most to you. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap is an excellent budget-friendly option that's easy to use, while the Black Plus Decker is perfect for everyday meal prep in smaller kitchens. The Ninja Professional Plus offers an outstanding balance of power and value, and the Breville Sous Chef 12 is an excellent choice for serious home cooks who want premium performance. But if you're looking for the best overall food processor that combines power, reliability, versatility, and long-term value, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is our top recommendation. You'll find links to all the food processors featured in this video in the description below. If you decide to purchase through those links, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Our recommendations are based on product features, expert evaluations, and customer feedback to help you make a more informed buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides that help you find the best kitchen appliances for your home. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.